back on the game.
Alright, you can show off my progress. Because my progress is a lot better.
You know, it makes videos better to not talk about it.
No,
Just like to, you know, talk about what's happening to other people that are playing the current game.
Out of coins. Out of hoverboard.
Ugh, this thing doesn't load.
There it is.
I like it. I like eating cheese. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Alright, back on hoverboard. Here we go.
I like
save
it.
once again. Oh hey, there's a coin glitch. I'm not getting all the coins that I can. Yikes. Oh, oopsies, I almost messed up.
I'm gonna go get some more stuff.
Oh no. Not good, not good, not good. How do I get out of this? How do I get out of this? Oh my god, that was so close.
That's better. Okay, let's start playing, get my new high score. I just started playing this game.
Oh, back to hoverboard. See if I can make it to 2 million.
What?
This is gonna be a long video.
Oh, wow. Ha!
Alright, next time, no, I'm gonna keep going till...
Until you die?
No. I mean, if I keep dying...
Oh, God.
Like, I
Save
can
me.
just use the 12,000 keys that I have. But I don't want to do that. Alright, next time I die for good, and I'll see what my score is. And see how high I got in the world. I'm pretty sure I'm number 1, because it doesn't say I have anything else left to beat.
He doesn't know how to play this game. Correctly, at least.
Oh, because of the glitch, I got every character, my game glitched.
Actually, ours glitched.
Oh, yours glitched?
Yeah.
So for some reason, our game's glitched, and we just got, a bunch of coins and stuff. And keys. I got, 20,000 keys and, 200 million coins. And so I've been using all that, and I got, the best stuff, and I've been going crazy. My top score was 30-something thousand.
Of all of us on our phones? Yes. The antisocial Wiseman family?
Everybody's on their devices.
It's a Wiseman family effort.
Each other.
It's a family effort.
What are you up to?
What are you playing?
Where you at?
Subway Surfer almost did.
That's funny, but people do that. Like in restaurants, why? Restaurants.
Yeah, that's my brother for you.
We get along better if we just text.
Yeah.
And send cute emojis.
Yeah, that's true.
You can't hear her yelling at you.
Well, some emojis you can.
That's true.
There are some.
For some reason, when you're typing in all caps, people think you're yelling.
Yeah, that's the old thing, though, isn't it? Is that still true?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's always some new way to let a person know that you're not happy with them, right?
Always.
Besides just telling them.
Don't say it to their face, say it over the interweb. Okay, I'm at 1.70 minutes. Yeah, I should just kill myself right now, right?
No. Stupid.
Zach, stop at the jaw and take me over the
Magnet.
Yeah, alright, I'll just die after
Wow.
this thing ends. I'll do one more hoverboard when the hoverboard's up.
That was a...
Oh my gosh. This is
Aye.
insane. Oops. Alright, well, let's wait for the bus. Bye. What?
Nachos.
Amazing. Hit the jackpot earlier, opening a bunch of these. Yeah, new highest score. 2 point. Oh my god.
Wait, did you die?
Zach, I said something. I
Alright,
will
sorry.
take it, and you'll be sorry.
Sorry for what? Messing up cheese? Oi.
Right now.
Thing.
Oh, I'm number 1.
You're not.
Yeah, I am. I'm number 1 in the world.
Prove it.
Alright, so these people have the gold medal, and they're not even at 1 million yet.
Oh
And
my.
I'm at 2 million. I'm getting the diamond. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like